Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation Practice series.
Today, we're going to learn how to speak English confidently at an airport.
Whether you're traveling for business, vacation, or studies, this conversation will help you communicate naturally in English.
We'll cover check-in, security checks, asking for directions, ordering food, boarding the flight, and even talking with fellow passengers.
So sit back, relax, and practice speaking with us.
Let's begin our airport English conversation.
At the check-in counter. Good morning. Welcome to Sky Airlines. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I'm flying to London for a business meeting.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Of course.
Your baggage weight is 18 kilograms, which is within the allowed limit.
That's great.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Certainly. I've assigned you seat 22A.
Thank you very much.
Here's your boarding pass. Boarding will begin at 9:15 a.m.
Thank you. Where can I find the security checkpoint?
Go straight ahead and follow the signs.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight. Security check. Good morning. Please place your bags in the tray.
Sure. Do I need to remove my laptop?
Yes, please remove your laptop and electronic devices.
Should I take off my belt and watch as well?
Yes, please place all metal items in the tray.
Okay.
Now please walk through the scanner.
Certainly.
Everything looks good. You may collect your belongings.
Thank you.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 15 is?
Certainly. Walk straight ahead, past the coffee shop, and turn left.
How long will it take to get there?
Around 5 minutes.
Thank you. Is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, next to gate 12.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. At the coffee shop. Hello, what would you like to order?
I'd like a cappuccino and a chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be $10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly.
Great, thanks.
Boarding announcement. Attention passengers, flight BA208 to London is now boarding.
That's my flight. I'd better head to the gate.
Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Everything is in order. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much.
On the airplane. Excuse me, is this seat 22A?
Yes, it is. That's your seat.
Thank you. May I place my bag in the overhead compartment?
Of course.
Is this your first visit to London?
No, I've been there twice before.
That's wonderful. What do you like most about the city?
I love its history, museums, and beautiful architecture.
That sounds amazing. I'm excited to explore it.
I'm sure you'll have a great time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon. May I have your passport, please?
Certainly. Here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm visiting for tourism.
How long do you plan to stay?
About 10 days.
Where will you be staying?
At the Grand City Hotel.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Can you show it to me?
Of course.
Everything looks good. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, my suitcase hasn't arrived.
I'm sorry to hear that. What color is your suitcase?
It's black and medium-sized.
Do you have your baggage claim tag?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check our system.
Okay.
It appears your luggage was delayed.
When will I receive it?
It should arrive on the next flight this evening.
Will it be delivered to my hotel?
Yes, we'll arrange delivery.
Thank you for your assistance.
Hello, where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to the Grand City Hotel.
That's about 20 kilometers from here.
How much will the fare be?
Approximately $30.
That's fine.
Do you have much luggage?
Just one suitcase and a backpack.
Perfect. Please follow me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Attention passengers, flight BA208 to London has been delayed.
Excuse me, how long is the delay?
The flight is delayed by 2 hours.
Do you know the reason?
Due to bad weather conditions.
Will the departure gate remain the same?
Yes, gate 15.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Good evening. May I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a burger and a bottle of water.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $12.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly.
Great, thanks.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, please have a seat.
Thank you. Where are you traveling to?
I'm flying to Paris.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, it's my first visit there.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am.
I'm traveling alone too.
That's nice. Traveling is a great way to meet new people.
I completely agree.
I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Thank you. You too. Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Could I have a blanket, please?
Certainly. I'll bring one right away.
Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, could I also have some water?
Absolutely.
Thank you for your kindness.
It's my pleasure.
Outro. And that's the end of today's airport English conversation practice.
We hope this dialogue helps you speak more confidently while traveling.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to listen, repeat, and practice every day.
Try reading this conversation aloud and practice both roles to improve your fluency.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
And let us know in the comments which conversation topic you'd like to learn next.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye and happy learning.